My name is Shane and we're presenting the show. This here is Chloe. She does the work around here, so give her a hand. We'll her a pucky. I'll be doing a bit of sheep shearing, milking cow, and showing some of our great working dogs. So, alright guys, hands go for the mighty Merino. It's Prince. Come on, big boy. He's the new boy on the block. He's getting used to the stairs. Last but not least, 50,000 black sheep in New Zealand, and here's ours. His name, Charlie Brown. Well, ladies and gentlemen, for you this morning, 19 champion rams. Thank you very much. Give us young lady a hand. Thank you, Chloe. I'll shear the sheep very slowly so you can all see exactly what's happening. All right, go this way. She's a true Robin. This one, wool everywhere. Let's get started. And there you have it, one shorn sheep, nice and slow. Good, good. Let's move on to the dairy industry. She's small, she's brown, here comes my dairy cow. So here in New Zealand, 5 million dairy cows. We hold the Frisian, the Jersey and the Ayrshire. Here, Rock, get up, Rock. Beautiful job, Chloe, get up, Rock. New Zealand unawares, just like that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that comes into the show. Thank you very much. Cheers, you made it. Give us young lady hand, Chloe.
Oh, very cute. Come on.
Flat. Flat means sit. See? Go there. Flats.
Kia ora, ni hao, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome along to an Agrodome farm tour. Now, if you'd all like to take a seat on the trailer, that'd be great. Here, now we've only got about 140 hectare here, which
You can go, hey, it's cool.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a little English red stag here. Now, he is about 6 years old now. They're very gentle, very friendly.
Nice.
On behalf of all the staff here at the Agrodome, I'd like to thank you for coming out to visit us. Ka kite, before you leave folks, I'd like you to come and try some kiwi fruit juice, and I've also got some of the Agrodome farm tour honey here for you to try.
All right.